2.
Yo, what's up, band? How you guys doing?
What's up?
Welcome. My name is Goldie. You are at live at the BeeHive, and I'm touching buttons so that you know just exactly that.
Oh, touching buttons.
Didn't that feel good? That was button number 1. There's 1,200 more. For those of you who are joining us online right now, cheers. So everyone grab your beverage and cheers to your life right now. Word to you. Tonight, we have something kind of cool going on in here where when I started Live at the BeeHive, I think the whole idea was that if I was going to do anything inside of my living room, that it was going to be, chill in the sense of AF, as they would say. And it would be strings, and it would be, like we're singing about whistles and feathers and birds that don't fly.
Singing
but just
about
sit
whistles?
There. Yeah, just baby whistles. Not like save you whistles, baby whistles. Yeah. So we're going to go ahead and have ourselves a little show tonight, but we will respectively, close out by the time it's school hours, and, we'll let our neighbor sleep well. P.S., I am tonight in the freshest new brim. I don't know if you've seen this tonight.
Oh,
but
wow.
You guys see this one right here? You get a nice look at that? Wow. That's that new Violet Pilot brim, and I couldn't have gotten that particular brim tonight if I didn't have this band in the house. What's up, Violet Pilot?
Hey. Thanks for having us, BeeHive.
Yeah, so it has been kind of a fun endeavor as we do. A couple weeks ago, Michael, we got you into the BeeHive bandwagon. I was like, yo, dude, you got a guitar. I'm a strange, weird guy with a white van. You want to go up to the top of the hill and play some music for me? And luckily the answer was yes. We captured some really incredible stuff, and through the mixture of that day, we brought ourselves to November 22nd, 2022. It's a Tuesday. Michael, I ask you a question. Violet Pilot, a new band. How? If somebody didn't know Violet Pilot, what would you tell them first? Who is Violet Pilot?
It's awesome.
Yeah, nice elevator speech.
Yeah.
I would check that out. Where are you guys based out of?
Fort Collins, Colorado.
And how long have you been a band?
About a year and a half.
And how'd you guys meet initially to make a band?
We have some brochures.
Yeah.
Please check the Denny's front registry area while you wait for your table, and the brochure of Violet Pilot can be found next to free.
We need a talk mic for the guitar player here.
Stick.
Something wireless, preferably something wireless. There we go. Are you there, John? Can you hear me?
Yeah, hey.
I can hear you.
All right, yeah, we're glad to be here. What was the question?
The question was, how did we meet?
Yeah, what
and
was
decide
the
to
event?
get together?
Was there a moment when
the smoke
Violet
machine
Pilot
is
became Violet
strong.
Pilot?
Yeah,
What was that moment?
It was an interesting COVID story of running into each other during some house shows here in Fort Collins, and kind of liking what was happening. And then Michael kind of proposed if we would get married. Wow. Not really.
This is aggressive.
Yeah,
This is great.
It was so
2020
strange. I just wanted to play music. I didn't want to elope and all.
Yeah,
Anyway.
and here you are.
But yeah, so we didn't know what to expect. Like, to say that we're here
So
a year and a half ago is pretty abstract to imagine that. So
the episode that we all lived through was part of the anchor of what brought you guys together. Does that sound about right?
that's
Pretty much, yes.
Pretty much nailed it.
Goldie, we just released our debut record, Glad We Found You. And we would love it if everyone went to Spotify or whatever you stream through and just like it and follow the band. It helps us out a lot. Even if you don't like the music, but you like us, it helps us out.
I think it's a big deal. So say it again. So Glad We Found You.
Glad We Found You by Violet Pilot is the name of our record. And we're not going to play any of those songs tonight.
Excellent.
We're working on our second record.
Yes.
And we might throw something from Glad We Found You in.
We'll do it like
something
this
familiar,
for the people online, is that they're going to be like, you know what? I was there when they played those songs that you didn't know about.
Totally.
That's happening tonight, right now.
This is it. This is the cutting edge. This is the newest music that Violet Pilot has written together. And we're super excited to do it with all these cameras and smoke machines in your living room. It's a very weird living room, dude.
I appreciate that. Thank you very much. Yeah. I don't want it to be a regular living room.
It's more like
it's more like
it's more like the midnight special.
Oh, very special. Yeah, you were telling me about that, but you know what? Tell me about that later. I want you to tell us where we're going with the first song.
Well, this is a tune that Sean and I wrote called Whirly Bird.
Let's go.
See my leaves fall, dead wings cover the ground. Why blame the wind? Roots that scream, trip, trip, queen. My, where's the time? The fruit is turned into wine. No, it's not too late. All you drink your fill and sing. My own little seed pod, sing. My own little seed pod, sing. My own. Until it's too late. Twist, whirly bird, take time before you land. Captain Jack the Green, find your dirt made of spring and slide into the loam. Meet me in 200 years on our way home. 1,000 fools walk on by. Sing my own little seed pod, sing. My own little seed pod, sing. My own. Until it's too late. No, this one's for you. Oh, this wind is the world beginning again. The rapture, the truth, my best friend. It all comes again. The ancient breath of golden overture. Sing, my own little seed pod, sing. My own little seed pod, sing. My own, whoa, whoa.
Yes! Woo! What a start. Thank you.